BASE44 Tutorial for Beginners. BASE44 lets you create apps and websites with no coding, and here's how beginners can start building in minutes. So step 1, go ahead and sign up for a free BASE44 account. This gives you access to the dashboard where all your projects are saved. Now describe your idea in plain English. So in here, you can go ahead and describe your idea. So for example, type a fitness tracker with user logins, and BASE44 will generate layouts and features automatically from here. So describe your idea, and then after that, choose a mode. Prompt mode is fastest. Plan mode lets you outline features. Start from URL imports an existing site, and start from Figma converts design into apps. So preview your app instantly and use the visual editor to customize colors, stacks, and layouts without touching code. Add features like calendars, forms, dashboards, or surveys. You can also enable authentication for signups and logins. Publish your app with one click, manage users, view database entries, and connect integrations like Stripe or Google Calendar. Start small with a to-do list app, use clear prompts, tasks early, connect integrations, and save credits by editing instead of regenerating. BASE44 makes app building simple. Sign up, describe your idea, customize, and publish.